Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I'll show you how to set up mobile hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. At first, you have to turn on your mobile data and then open up your settings app. From here, go to connections and then go to mobile hotspot and tethering. Then go to mobile hotspot. Now by tapping here, you can turn on mobile hotspot. Now to enable mobile hotspot, at first you have to turn off your Wi-Fi. And it's done. Now you can see in my phone mobile hotspot has been enabled successfully and Wi-Fi is turned off. Now if you want to configure your mobile hotspot, then you can easily do it from here. From here you can change your mobile hotspot network name. Also from here you can set your mobile hotspot password, and from here you can change your mobile hotspot frequency. You can select 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz as you want. If I select 5 GHz and then tap on save, and it's done. Now your mobile hotspot is ready for use. Also, if you enable this option from here, then you can use one-time password for mobile hotspot. And that is how you can set up mobile hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.